Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing another shopping vlog. I honestly really like doing these, so I try to whenever I can. Today's actually Labor Day, so I'm off from work, so I figure I would take advantage, take Alana, and we will go shopping. I mean, we're going to go have lunch first because she's a child and she needs to eat. But after that, we're going shopping. If you guys follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, I'll just leave it right here. I post every single day. You definitely should. You probably have already seen my outfit of the day because I do give you some spoilers over there. So definitely follow me over there if you're not already. But I am going to show you guys what I'm wearing and what Alana's wearing when we're like walking out the door, so you guys can have a better, understanding of what's happening here. So if you guys want to come shopping with Alana and I, with me and Alana, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're going to want to be here when I do. If you like luxury, if you like fashion, if you like shopping vlogs, if you like mommy and me time, because apparently that is what I do every time I go shopping, then this is where you're going to want to be. So definitely subscribe if you're not already. And with that out of the way, let's jump into the video. So here are our outfit of the days. I'm wearing this Fashion Nova dress. Obviously, like most of my dresses are from Fashion Nova. This headband, I believe, is from Shein, but my hair doesn't look the greatest, so that's just gonna help me out. And my caramel mini from Chanel and my Hermes Orange, because obviously I'm gonna wear them to death. Alana is wearing, what are you wearing, Alana?
A dress.
She's wearing a dress with her little purse. Show your purse, baby. She was wearing braids in her hair, so that's why her hair looks a little wavy, and she made me put a little bit of sparkle on her eyes and some lip gloss on. Right? You ready to go? And we're probably gonna go to lunch first, so I'll talk to you guys when we get there. Let's go, baby.
It's like LOL dolls.
We look like LOL dolls?
Yeah.
How?
Because you have curly hair for the LOL doll.
I got barbecue chicken salad. So far, very good. What'd you get, Lana?
Chicken.
Chicken
Fruit.
With what? With fruit? Is it good?
And ketchup.
Is it good?
Yeah. Itchy.
Why don't you take it off if it's bothering you? You can take it off.
Their base with their like.
You want me to just hold it?
No, you have to.
You gonna put it in your purse?
Put the crown.
Why?
Because it hurts my ear. It bothers me.
It bothers you? Okay. You ready?
Yeah. Oh my God, so good! I love it.
I think that's a little big for you.
I love it. It's so cute.
Yes, it is cute. Why don't we look over here? You would like these.
I like the pink.
They look comfy, right? At the bottom. Do you like any of these?
Yeah.
Which one?
These.
You like
Because
these?
they have glitter.
Yeah, but do you think that would match with anything? What about the boots?
Oh, it's funky here.
Oh, you like those, right? Oh, those are cute. Oh, I like these a lot, actually.
Spikes.
This would match with what I'm wearing.
Spikes.
You don't like this one?
Yeah.
I like this one a lot. And you know what this one looks like?
I like the
Alana, you know the shoes that I was gonna wear here? Remember the big shoes? It looks just like this one, right?
Yeah. I like these ones because they're gold.
These are nice too. Do you like these, Alana?
Yeah.
Oh, you like
shoes
those?
Are gold.
You like these?
Yeah, they're so cool.
These are really cute. Where'd you find these? Oh, here? Yeah, those are nice. But the thing is, like, summer's over pretty much. So we can't buy summer shoes, right? What are you doing, Alana? If I didn't have my Prada on. Which one? What's this? Oh, that's cool.
I actually like silver.
You know, I have those in pink. You know the ones I have in pink that I always wear?
Silver.
That's not silver. That's pink. This one is
It's
silver.
silver pink.
This one's like a silver.
It's silver pink.
It's metallic.
Metallic.
What about these boots? Do you like these boots? Do you like those?
I like this one because they're glittery.
They're glittery? I don't think they're glittery. Yeah, these are the boots I have. Do you like these ones? Hello? You're not even looking.
The crystal. How?
Right?
Where you found it?
Right here.
Wow, I didn't.
You didn't see that? These look really nice. No?
My God, I like that one.
This one? Oh my god, I like this one a lot. Look how cool that is.
Yeah.
Look at this.
I like that one too. The crystal.
Oh, look at this one.
Oh my God, look at this one. Look at this.
You like this one?
Yeah.
I think I saw these in orange actually. Yeah, these are really pretty. Wait, where'd you find this? Here? You know the ones I bought that were orange were like this? Remember that? I like the yellow ones the best. Which color you like the best? The pink one? Nope, do not put it on. You're gonna get hurt if you do that. These are kind of cute. Okay, friends. Don't go over there, please. What do you think about these?
Too beautiful. I love it.
You love everything, Alana. What don't you love? Baby, try. Don't just pick them up, okay?
I love these too.
Those are really nice. You like silver a lot, huh? Do you like these?
Yeah, I love it, but I like this one.
It's not bad.
This one. This one. This one.
Okay. All of them? Okay.
I don't like Lydia and Nobody.
What do you want? Good. How are you? Yeah, absolutely.
We start over.
Ow.
I like this one, this one, this one, this
So all the ones with a bow you like?
this one, this one, and this one.
So all of them. Okay. That's really fluffy. Oh, they're kind of heavy. Kind of like these.
Oh, this one is heavy.
That one is heavy?
Yeah.
This one looks comfy, to be honest.
Good.
Ooh, this is cute. So black. Wicker. You like that one, right?
Yeah.
I thought you would like that one. What about this one? It's also wicker.
I like it.
Just kind of stiff. Move your hand, move your hand. I love the turn lock. No. You're not just gonna pick up a bag.
I like this one.
You like that one?
Oh my god. I like this one too.
I like this one. This looks like a Fendi first, but not. Look, this one looks. You should hold this one. Oh. Okay, don't hold it. But this one looks like it would be good for you. Because it's so tiny. That's because you like everything gold. Oh, they have an hourglass. Oh, I see what you're saying. This one's kind of cute. How do I look? I don't think these look good on my hair. That looks nice on you though. Doesn't look good on me. I don't think my hair can pull off a bucket hat. Uh-oh. Ugh. No, in the back. Do you want to see them? Alana? Look at this one. This is so cute.
It's so little.
Like for you, right? This is really cool. I can't even hold this. Did you mess it up? Oh, that's weird. Alana. Ooh. Why? Because it's shiny?
Yeah.
That is really pretty. You have more than I thought. This is really pretty. There's two actually. This is actually really pretty. Alana, please be careful. It's like wicker. Oh, this is cute. Oh, that's heavy as hell. Why is that so heavy?
This one, rubber.
You like this one?
Yeah.
That's so cute. What?
Oh, yeah.
You know, I've seen something like this one. Okay, just leave that alone.
I love that it's a
I like this a lot, actually. Okay guys, so we are on our way home. I think we had a pretty nice day. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And let me know, what was your favorite piece that we saw today? Honestly, I am like overstimulated. Hopefully we get to do more shopping vlogs in the near future. But if you guys like this one, definitely give it a thumbs up. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.